If your dog starts solving puzzles, you might just have a furry Einstein on your hands. Let's dive into the world of animal masterminds. First up, dolphins. These aquatic Einsteins communicate with complex language and show empathy. Next, elephants are not just big, their memory and problem-solving skills are huge too. Don't overlook the crow. They actually use tools and can remember human faces. Octopuses? They can escape jars from the inside. Yes, jars. And of course your home's boss, cats, they're showing intelligence by understanding basic laws of physics. Surprised? Stay tuned for more brainy beasts.